time to send it on Voltron. How's your wing seat?
Oh, a bit rough.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's alright.
Okay.
Yeah. No, it's not rough. It is a bit jolty. Oh, what a ride. I bet this is amazing at night. Right, we go backwards now. Oh, I love that. That is so cool. Here we go. I'm on a wing seat. On the wing. Jeez. Woo! Hang time. Woo! Oh God. Oh! Yeah, it's not so good on the wing seat. It's better on the middle, where that guy sat. Get ready for the gut wrench. Here we go. Oh! Woo! Ah! I think Nathan's behind me. Woo! Ah! Woo! Jesus! Ah! Oh! Oh! I think Nathan's there. Ah! Oh my God! Are you there? I think he's there. I think Nathan's there. Yeah, not so good on a wing seat. You want to be sitting in the middle. But yeah, what an awesome ride though.